Wait first. Emeka, just wait first. I know say you go argue, yeah. But let me talk to my people first. Make I talk to my people, yeah. I don't come again. I your answer on data guy. I want to ask you now one simple question. I will show now one thing, and I will tell me what that thing mean, what that thing be, the name of that thing. Yeah. So how many of now out there remember this device? You dey see am, make I put am close and make you see. How many of una remember this device? See another one here. You remember this device? Make I do like Lucky Udu small for una. Na im be this. Before you make up for computer village, come dey argue with us for here. The name na flash drive or USB stick. That one, at least I don't understand that one. I go tell you something now, and you no go believe me. So make I use this opportunity to tell una now, say flash drives, USB stick, officially, e don die. Officially, e don kaput. Otilo, and I know you don't know. Yeah. I go tell you some things. Before I go into it, I want to tell you, but first, don't forget to like this channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share them. And don't forget to hit that black notification bell so that you will be among the first people who go first to get my videos. Yeah, it's your hands on data guy. Stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. So I remember back then when they tried to move our files, the back of our files from one desktop to another, from one laptop to another. When our disk they mess up, the only thing will come to our rescue, now be flash drive. Then it start very small. You go see things like 4 gig, 8 gig, 16 gig. Later, I started seeing 32 gig from there. We started getting up to 200 and something gig till we start getting up to 1 terabyte. Oh man. That nostalgic feeling still dey my body. I dey feel am. Flash drive, man. I don't miss flash drive. I don't miss flash drive. I still get them here. See, I don't see them here. They don't dey my archive. Flash drive. I notice some of you. I no go one let go. Una go see all and tight. You no dey go anywhere. Na im still be the best. I go tell you why. See, the world has moved on. The world don't move on. Around that between the year 2005 and 2015, that era. Now gradually this thing dey go, but I don't know. And I will tell you why. You know why? You know why? So why be say na cloud technology now kill this technology? Not that cloud, not be say cloud technology kill am on its own. It gets its own shortcomings. And if you know, you know. Remember the shortcoming for diskettes. Flash drive help us improve it. Now, the cloud technology don't kill am. Pata. So in the advent of cloud technology, we can see services like Google Drive, they see services like iCloud, they see services like Google Photo, they see all those cloud services that handle storage of files, and them now can kill them. So as they come, we they tell people that time small, but they don't want to understand. They see they go spend money. So computer village, I know say they sell them for computer village. Yeah, you can buy, it's your business, but I tell you the shortcoming is still there. And one of those shortcoming, I know say many people get some experience around this because one, most of them AD market, mostly for our side for Africa back then, even till now, you see a lot of fake ones that come, cheap product that come from cheap part of China. I know say China know they do good one, but I'm saying that most of the ones our brothers they bring back then they come are fake. So imagine say you don't store your live data in here. You don't store your live documents in here. Document they be saying now only here. You don't rely and put on your heart. Say, oh, my flash will always come to my rescue. My flash will save me. When I need this file, I go bring them out. All of a sudden, you put that for system. Two things don't happen. One, the files don't corrupt. Or two, virus don't chop them. Yeah. So now the problem now be this. So waiting cloud technology can't help us take away that problem of reliability. Yeah. Reliability, cloud technology help us take care of that problem of reliability. You can see, you go see say situation now and be say for your Google photo for your phone, for your Android phone, for example. 5 years back, you just open your Google photo or you open your Google, you just see all those photos that you know remember storing. Now they call synchronization. So most of those cloud technology they use synchronization process to take backup file without you even knowing. or sometimes you go decide by yourself, copy that file, put there. So with that one dey ogbonge, that one go last longer without you even doing much. And another problem for this is we say by the time you wan move file, maybe sha when the file big, you try to move file close to about 3 gig, 4 gig, you go come dey see how the thing go come dey creep, dey dance slow motion, dey dance slow dance, dey dance break dance. You go stay there, sometimes you go sleep, wake up, the file never still transfer finish. Another technology wey come make am go again be say instead of you come dey transfer file from one USB PC to USB, flash to flash drive, then you come dey transfer. Instead, you go use Wi-Fi transfer. So Wi-Fi transfer na another technology also help kill this technology. I hope you dey get me. So when next you dey think of say you wan store your file, the first thing go come your mind no be this one. Please, abeg, I God dey I take beg you. The first thing wey go come your mind, make e be something around cloud. Yeah, your iCloud, your Google Drive, your Google Photo. Dem get many option out there. Yes, chinkily money you go take subscribe, 1 point something pounds. Well, it depends on wherever the country is. You go fit get up to 100 GB, 1 TB, whatever, to take store your files. At the end of the day, you go avoid the I die know. Like Gege we always say, I die know na be the last word for a fool. You know what be fool? My people wey dey follow me not be fool. My followers not be fools. Oh. But the simple evidence for you to take know say this thing don't really dey go. Most technology, most physical devices that existed at the point in time, you come find out say some USB ports for those laptops don't reduce. Before you dey get like 4-5 USB ports for your laptop where you fit connect your USB drive, that's your your flash drive to RAM. You no go dey again, or you go dey see now most laptops you go dey see like one, you go dey see like 2 USB drive to show say you don't really need these things anymore. Time don't go, things don't change. Yeah. And the reason why those they say they put like 1 or 2 now, people they carry device like this, say they call legacy device, and so that in case you don't store one important file you need to retrieve, you go fit still carry them, then you go throw away this thing. Yeah. Or for some security boot up systems, they don't store security file, you go fit still retrieve those security information, and those are specialized systems or for more advanced use. Yeah, but for individuals like you and I, that's for users like me and you, we no go need this thing anymore. And just to use other means like our cloud storage to do the right thing. I hope you get where they talk. I know I mean you fall victim. I don't want waiting get the talk in terms of say I die know is the last word of a fool. Make it no can apply to you. So come and use that. If you know say you get anything when you want to talk about this matter, or you feel say this is the best thing that has happened to you since sliced bread, or you know say this thing, maybe you think say this thing will be the best, or you think say this thing, anything here you get for mind, please go our comments, make you go right out from there. Then the discussion will continue. Then all of us go understand wetin dey happen technology wise. Yes, so now your answer on data guy, I no go anywhere. I still dey here for you. Keep it up, man. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to hit that our black notification bell so you go be among the first persons wey go dey always receive our video. Yes, so